Hello, Denton ISD family. I'm Dr. Susannah O'Bara, Superintendent of Schools. If you joined us for the first recap earlier this month, welcome back. And if you're tuning in for the first time, these videos are our way of keeping you informed about the celebrations, discussions, and decisions from each of our board meetings. It's part of our commitment to reciprocal family and community partnerships, an essential compass point that guides our work as a district. The board meeting opened with the pledges of allegiance led by students from Schultz Elementary. They did an excellent job, and it was a great way to start the evening, seeing our youngest learners represent their campus with pride and enthusiasm. We also celebrated the outstanding work of our Career and Technology Education team and Jamie Adams from the Denton Economic Development Partnership. Their leadership was instrumental in organizing Manufacturing Day at LaGrone Academy. This event connected students with local employers, giving hundreds of middle and high school students the opportunity to explore career pathways in advanced manufacturing and engineering. This incredible event showcased how classroom learning translates into real-world experiences and the power community partnerships have in the lives of all of our students. During workshop items, trustees heard detailed updates on several key areas that support student learning and well-being. These included discussions on the multi-tier system of support, Section 504, and special education, each of which play an important role in providing early interventions, personalized resources, and specialized services for students. These programs ensure that every learner, regardless of need or ability, has the tools and support to reach their full potential. The board also heard from district leaders who presented updates about our Safe and Supportive Schools program, as well as safety and security update, highlighting the proactive steps being taken to maintain safe learning environments across all campuses. Additionally, several students from the Student Advisory Council had the opportunity to present to the board and share their perspectives on campus life, safety, and student well-being. And just earlier this month, I met with the full council, and their insight continues to be incredibly valuable as we listen to what matters most to our students. Their voices help guide our ongoing efforts to create safe, inclusive, and supportive environments where every student feels seen, heard, and valued. These conversations remind us that our best ideas often come directly from our students, and we're proud to partner with them in shaping the future of Denton ISD. If you'd like to explore more details from the October 28th meeting, including presentations, reports, and recognitions, you can find that information on our district website under the Board of Trustees webpage. Looking ahead, our next board meeting will take place on Tuesday, November 11th, and we'll be back with another recap to keep you informed of the highlights and reports from that evening. Before I close, I want to share a quick reminder about Proposition A. If you haven't already done so, I encourage you to visit dentonisd.org/Prop-A, where you'll find short informational videos, helpful resources, and answers to frequently asked questions. Staying informed is the best way to understand the potential outcomes and how they could impact our students, teachers, staff, and community. Early voting on Proposition A is currently underway and continues through Friday, October 31st, with Election Day on Tuesday, November 4th. We encourage everyone to make their voice heard. Please take the time to get out and vote. Thank you very much for partnering with us in your child's education. We'll continue sharing these updates so you'll always know what's happening and how we're moving forward together in Denton ISD.